On Instagram and other social media platforms, abbreviations and acronyms are used to communicate quickly and efficiently. SMD is one such acronym that can have a few different meanings depending on the context. Most commonly, SMD stands for a vulgar phrase, suck my d-cook, bastang, which is often used as a form of insult or provocation in online conversations. However, it's important to pay attention to the context, as some people might use SMD to mean something less explicit, like so much drama, or even send me details. Understanding the conversation and the relationship between the people involved is key to interpreting the correct meaning. On Instagram, where quick messages and comments are common, acronyms like SMD can spread rapidly, but it's always a good idea to be aware of their various meanings before using them. If in doubt, it's better to ask or avoid using potentially offensive terms.